Okay, here is that IIT JAM question answer series. Here the first question is that on hydrolysis aluminum carbide to produce that methane, ethene or ethine. Here the first option given is the first aluminum carbide react with that water molecule to produce that aluminum trihydroxide plus methane. Here the correct option is methane. Okay, next one question it is that carboxylic anhydrous enzyme is an example of four options given. Okay, here are the four options given. One is that first hemiprotein, oxygen transport protein, hydrolysis enzyme and redox enzyme. Here that carbon dioxide react with that water to produce that HCO3 plus hydrolysis. Correct answer it is that hydrolysis enzyme. Carbonic dehydrates are the group of metalloenzymes uncatalyzed following equilibrium relative very low. This is the structure of that carbonic anhydrous. This is three N-histidine groups. Zinc is the central metal atoms and OH2 group will be formed. Okay, correct order of that melting point of group 15 trifluorides. Here the four options given. Which one is that correct? Let's find out. Here that PF3 is that very lowest melting point as compared to that arsenic. Next it is that highest it is that bismuth. And next here that bismuth is at highest melting point is 649 degrees Celsius and this one is that this antimony is 235 degrees Celsius. Arsenic is minus 8.5 degrees Celsius and phosphorus trifluoride here given minus 151.5 degrees Celsius. Okay, major product of following reaction 1-chloro-3-isocyane-2-3-isocyanopropyl benzene in the presence of liquid ammonia and sodium amide. Here are four options given. Which one is that correct? Here that 1-chloro-2-3-isocyanopropyl benzene. Here that chlorine has a leaving group in the presence of that liquid ammonia and sodium amide given Na plus and NH2. We have to simplify to produce that cyclohexa 1,3-diene-5-YNE. This is the IUPAC name. In that chlorine, this is the leaving group and that position attach that amide groups. The final product is that chlorine has a leaving group and that position attach NH2 group. Here the chemical name it is that 2,3-isocyanopropyl aniline. Okay, next question is that compound contain the most acidic hydrogen is. Here the four options given CH2 double bond CH2 CH triple bond 3 given. Here which one is that correct answer? That is the CH3 minus CH3. They increase the acidic strength. Here the range given. Which one is that correct? Okay, next question is that C2 epimers of D-glucose is D-mannose, D-fructose and D-galactose. Next it is D-glucose. Here the correct answer is that D-mannose. Here that's chemical, the structure of that D-mannose it is given. Okay, next is glucose. We have to compare that both glucose and D-mannose. Okay, in this compare, these two pairs will be equal OH and H form. OH and okay, the number of crystal systems and number of Lewis lattice are respectively. Here the four options given. Here that first one is that correct option it is 7 into 14. Okay, here that 7 means here that list of that 7 compound of crystal systems here given and this is 14 are that one. This Lewis lattice are structures given.